In today's era, it is not easy to get a job interview, let alone a job. With increasing competition, if you manage to get a call for a job interview, make sure you give it your all. Keys to clear any job interview includes not only an impressive resume or communication skills, but also how presentable you look. You should be dressed well for the occasion and must look presentable in order to show how this job matters to you and how serious you are about it. The options of outfit also depend on which type of job interview you're going for, whether it's formal corporate setup or a casual informal job setup. So we have made a list of do's and don'ts which will come in handy when you dress up for any job interview. Option number 1 is formal shirt with jeans or trousers. Wearing a blazer is always an option, but if you are not a blazer person, you can still manage to look presentable by wearing a formal shirt. Team it up with basic jeans or trousers, it will give you a neat and semi-formal look which is wearable in formal and casual interview environment as well. Option number 2 is formal dress. If you like wearing dresses, then go for it. It should not be too casual or party going. You can always team up your dress with a blazer to give it a formal look. You can also wear tights with your dress. Whichever dress you choose, be sure that it is a comfortable one. You definitely don't want to wear a dress which you have to keep fixing every now and then. It will be a total no for a job interview. Option number 3 is kurta with jeans or plazos. To wear a decent kurta with jeans or plazos is also a good option. If you are someone who is most comfortable in Indian wear, then go for it. If you choose the right kurta, you can definitely manage to make it look like a formal outfit. Go for muted shades or a kurta with interesting details. Pair it with a watch and statement earrings and you are good to go. At number 4, we would like to remind you of one of the most important rules. Be sure that whatever it is you choose to wear, you are comfortable in it. Whether it's a pair of jeans, a dress, a shirt, you should feel comfortable. This will make you look confident and help you concentrate on your talking and resume. If you're comfortable in what you're wearing, it always shows and reflects the confidence in which a woman carries herself, and this will definitely leave a good impression on the interviewers. Always wear comfortable shoes. Same rule goes with your footwear as well. They should be comfortable. You can choose to wear medium heels, sneakers or flats, but make sure that they fit you well and you are comfortable if it's worn for a long time. You should definitely avoid wearing heavy jewelry or a lot of jewelry. It will only cause distraction and noise. Limited jewelry like statement earrings or a neck piece won't do any harm, but avoid wearing unnecessary accessories. Choose accessories which will add to your outfit and not overwhelm it. Wear a watch and subtle makeup to look presentable. Wear a watch and always show up in time. You can always wear subtle makeup, and if you don't wish to wear makeup at all, make sure you look professional and polished. Keep your hair either tied or open, but definitely neat and tidy. Well, these are our tips for what to wear for an interview. Hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to add more options or share your interview experience, please leave your comment in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. If you found the video informational, do hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Till then, take care.